Hey everybody, this is pretty cool. So a friend of mine who lives down the street from me is Chief Operating Officer of Spearhead Brewery, and they just had their grand opening last week, and he informed me that they are installing 4 high power wall chargers at their facility. They're giving Living Tech exclusive coverage of this, and so I came down today to see where they're at. So here we go. Okay guys, the 4 Tesla high power wall chargers have been installed. So we get to be the first to plug in. Let's make it happen. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Bam!
Maybe bigger than this now.